To start today's walking tour, we've come out of the Tottenham Court Road underground station and we've walked about half a mile to Piccadilly Circus. It's a little bit underwhelming so far. I thought it was a big roundabout, but yeah. Let's have a look around, see what we can find. Now, a few big neon signs. That's a pretty cool building. Wow. Huge chimneys there. In the distance from Piccadilly Circus we saw these couple of big columns, memorial columns of some sort. Thought we'd come here and have a quick look. Some sort of war memorial, I think. Huge tower over there. So that's the view looking back towards Piccadilly Circus. Some very tall buildings just here. This very large column is dedicated to Frederick, Duke of York, who we've never heard of. He was the Commander-in-Chief of the British Army. Someone thought he was very important. So this street is Pall Mall, ticking off another from the Monopoly board. Or maybe based on our pronunciation lesson the other day, we'll call it Pall Mall. I don't know. Go figure. This is Leicester Square. I think it's mainly a shopping district. So, Harry Potter made it here. William Shakespeare. Okay, so I think that's another spot you can safely cross off the list, and so you probably don't need to come here unless somebody knows more than I do. Feel happy to correct me. Okay, we're back at Trafalgar Square, the place that was fenced off for the 3-on-3 basketball tournament a couple of days ago. But today it's back open. Okay, so that's Nelson Column, and the significance of that to us is that we come from the city of Nelson in New Zealand. Good to come and see Lord Nelson. So for our next flashpacking stop, we're heading into the National Gallery. Have a look at some paintings and some artwork. Going in by the Sainsbury wing entrance, which is over here. going to start the tour by heading towards the area that has the Van Gogh paintings. Believe it or not, that's the more modern stuff. The building itself is amazing. Found the Monet room, the water lilies there, irises. Haven't found the Van Gogh room yet. Now we found it. Continuing our walking tour, we've come to Savile Row, a place you come to buy nice suits. We're going down this way to the most expensive property on the Monopoly board. Should know that one, but we'll tell you when we get there. Tiffany's. We're getting closer. Chanel on the left and Louis Vuitton on the right. So if you didn't know the answer to the quiz question, we're in the area called Mayfair, which is the most expensive property on the Monopoly board. Aston Martin showroom. In front of us is Hyde Park, and this street to the left and right is Park Lane, the second most expensive property on the Monopoly board. Which may also be that street over there, I think, where the Aston Martin showroom was. Still making our way through Hyde Park. It's huge. Not sure if we're going to get to the end of it. The far end is Kensington Palace. We're heading for the Lady Diana Memorial Fountain. About halfway through. Beautiful trees. Still inside Hyde Park, just crossing a bridge over this lake, heading for that pavilion down there, I think. I said Lady Diana before. Of course, I meant Princess Diana.
E allora ti ho chiamato il telefono normale.
Poi mi è venuto in mente, questa è la fontana. Ma non ci credo, ho messo il pagamento.
That'll be one of the strangest fountains I've ever seen. Yeah, that's more what I call a fountain.